Stop acting up! Stop! Stop acting up!
I'm gonna
Stop!
out of the fucking way!
Stop!
For no reason!
Stop!
Is that documented for court? Is it documented for court? Because that's what we're talking about. What are we doing?
We're gonna put you in handcuffs.
For what? Are we just gonna talk?
We'll get there.
We're detaining you right now.
Okay.
Okay?
That's fine.
We're going to get out of all these nice people's ways. We're going to talk to your little boy, see why he's so upset.
Everybody on this bridge is nice? You vetted them? You sure they're not
No, you're absolutely right. Maybe they are.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy.
But ever since we've been talking, you've been cussing at me?
No, I have not.
Yes, you have.
Please review the tape.
Oh,
because that's not true.
There's one of us that's not drunk here, and it's me. Okay?
I am not drunk.
Okay.
I am buzzed and I am happy and I've been enjoying my day. And I have not cussed at you once.
You wanna get down here? We can get off.
Let's get off the bridge. If you, yes.
Play the tape right now before we leave. Stay still.
I'll let him get in front with me.
Okay.
Stay
Perfect.
still.
Thank you.
Before we
over for me.
replay the
Could you
tape.
step over for me?
Because I have not
Go ahead and
cussed
step over.
Come on.
Until you admit that I have not cussed at you once, I'm not.
Please.
Can you
No,
please just...
no, I'm not. You'll have to carry me, bro. I'm not going nowhere. I'm not going to.
I'm a nice guy. You don't want to.
Are you? Well, she's
It's
not
not-
a nice girl. She's a corrupt cop. Do you understand?
Here, stand her up.
Folly molests people
Okay.
all the time.
No, just
Piece of
step
shit.
in.
No, I'm not stepping into the fucking truck for no fucking reason. Why am I being arrested?
The other side.
Stop me! No, I'm not.
Please.
No,
Please.
you have to tell me why I am being arrested.
Get up.
First,
Just
you
arrest
have to
yourself.
read me my Miranda rights. You can't just stick somebody in a fucking locked box for no fucking reason. I was on the fucking sidewalk, you piece of shit. You will pay for this. You will go to fucking hell. Fucking sidewalk, you piece of shit. You will pay for this. You will go to fucking
I'm sorry, buddy. Hey, she's okay, okay? Just get in the car. Will you come over here with me? Why don't you step up there, okay?
Papa 2999 St. John's. Show 1 detained. She's gonna be in back of my vehicle. You can clear everyone off the bridge.
Hey, Carrie Ann, hold on 1 second. Oh. Open your front door! Open your front door! I'll turn the car. Hold on the ground.
Mace me now! You're gonna mace a 5'3" girl for what? Fucking walking across the bridge? No!
You got her, Jack.
Zach, you've got handcuffs?
Yeah, good luck. Getting them together. Conditions.
Her legs.
Get
your hand.
Oh, my holding tight. Yeah, why are you really? You know this is on the car, right?
Her hands are
Then it's looking at me. Oh, God, you guys are
Joey,
fucking
grab the shackle.
shit. Your shit stinks so bad. It's so fucking heartbreaking. It's so fucking heartbreaking. That's how corrupt you are. And you just took my baby from me. Yes, I will resist.
Get in the car. Put these on.
Fuck the police. The corrupt police that you are. You are out. Oh, every mother. I hope you break the fucking phone.
Watch your legs. Stop. wrapped her up. She's got me wrapped around her. Get off me!
Like, really?
Get off me!
We need to get her shackled.
What is her deal?
Yeah, what is all this deal? What is this deal?
We got her secured.
Because I
got her.
told you the truth?
What's going on?
Because I'm a whistleblower?
Oh, she's got battery on Leo. I know that much. And disorderly conduct. She's wrapped around my leg cap.
Alright, let go. Get her up.
Let go of his leg.
Let go of his leg.
No, tell him to let go of me.
Get off my leg.
Right there, hold on.
I will trade one life for another. Asshole. I can't wait for you to go to
She needs to be
work.
hobbled
I
and
will
placed in that car. We can't lift her up one more time.
You f***ing the wrong bitch. Oh, baby, you're fucking... For what? For what?
Where's Embry?
He's got the kid.
Alright. We pick her up on all four sides. We'll just throw her in there.
Yes.
Someone grab the legs, two
Yes.
grab the front, and we'll just throw her in there.
Can we get this wrapped around her? No, I'm doing it differently. Even if you have to tie it up more.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear. Why? I'm being charged. I'm treated like a animal in the first place. There hasn't even been an exchange of
We
conversation.
check her while she's down. Search her and
God,
all.
I cannot wait till Morgan and Morgan talk about her.
Ready? One. Cat coming in. Cat coming in.
You are losing your jobs, bro. You
Got her?
go yourselves. Get the off of me, fucking pervert.
Stop.
You can't force me. Do whatever the I want on the fucking cab. Oh, you feeling real good? Aren't you? I'm already detained, you pervert.
You want to kick me in the face one more time?
Oh, you want to detain me for nothing? Asshole. Oh.
Stop hitting me.
Oh, yeah,
Hey.
stop detaining me for
Can you
some
grab my glasses?
reason. Pervert.
You slipped out the handcuff.
What?
She slipped out the handcuff.
Hold on, back.
Get the handcuff on her hand. Get the handcuff on her hand.
Yeah, what is this for? Oh,
We're gonna
oh
have
my
to dump her
God.
out. We're gonna have to dump her.
Going on.
Hey, grab my glasses and shit right there.
We're gonna have to dump her back out.
She needs to be
Grab her
hobbled.
legs. She can only kick us from here. Grab the shackles.
Grab her legs. Grab her shackles. For what?
You got that on?
Because you don't know what to do with an unbounded soul. One that can't be bought. Like you. You all are bought. You bots. Bots.
She's not shackled.
You are not.
She's shackled, but her hands.
What are her hands? Feet
Bots.
Yeah.
You fucking
No,
bots.
they're not.
I got
It is fucking so hard that you
I got it.
sold your souls of America. What? A drawbridge interaction?
No.
For what? You know this is all recorded. And the shit that you were saying.
Yeah.
Is my hat over there?
Ooh, is not
It's not
true.
in the car.
I don't see it.
Bitch, I cannot wait till you ride. No.
Got it?
$78 fell out of her pocket. She's gonna need. The kid's gonna fucking need it.
No, it's okay.
Look at your windshield for right now.
Thank you. Can I, Can you call back in or meet me down there or
Yeah, I
meet with one of the officers so we can get your information? Yeah.
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
We're not good, you piece of shit.
Stop acting up. Stop. Stop acting up.
I'm gonna
Stop.
out of the way.
Stop.
For no reason.
Stop.
Let go. You stop, you piece of shit.
I got this arm. You got that arm?
Yeah.
Oh, you got that arm? Oh, you're so strong.
How's she sliding out of these things?
Oh, you're so strong.
Tight as you can. We'll double
Oh, you're
handcuff.
so strong. Why am I being arrested again? And treated like a animal?
Double handcuff her.
No, don't handcuff her.
Put another handcuff.
No, because she knows her rights. And you guys don't know what to do with an unbounded soul. You're like, fuck, I don't know what to do with her. Because she's gonna steal the